Namaste. In this video, we are going to solve this Olympiad problem if given y is equal to 2 to the power 1 upon log 4 base x. Then find the value of y minus square root x. So this question is really easy. If you know logarithmic property, you can use here. So here given y is equal to 2 to the power 1 upon log 4 base x. Okay, so y is equal to 2 1 upon here 4 we can write 2 square, so log base x, and 4 we can write 2 square. We know that log a to the power n, so n comes here, log a. Okay, this property we can apply here. So y is equal to 2 to the power 1 upon 2 comes here, okay, log 2 base x. Y is equal to 2. So this whole thing we can write 1 upon 2 multiply 1 upon log 2 base x. Okay, here we will apply logarithmic property. So log a base b, so this is 1 upon log b base a. This property we can apply here. Here says 1 upon log 2 base x, like this. So we can write like here, just change. So we can write log x base 2. Okay. So y is equal to 2 to the power 1 upon 2 multiply. This is log x base 2. Okay. Here this one multiply with this log. So just like this. Okay, like here log a, so here log x base 2, and value here 1 upon 2, so we can write here 1 upon 2 just like this. Okay, in the power a to the power. So this property we use here, 2 to the power log, I'm writing this one, okay, x base 2, and this 1 upon 2 comes here in the power 1 upon 2. This is in exponent form, x to the power 1 upon 2. We can write in radical. And why we are writing in radical? Because you're asking in the question square root x. That's why. Okay. So x to the power 1 upon 2 we can write square root x, and we know that here logarithmic property a to the power log b and base a. Okay, so here this is same, that time this is just b. Okay, a to the power log b base a, so this is cancel and just we get b. This property we apply here, so y is equal to this one cancel because here this is same. Okay, 2 to the power log square root x base 2. Okay, we can compare, and a value here 2, so just we left square root x. But here we have to find out y minus square root x. Okay, so square root x we can transfer left side, it will be negative, and we get 0. or we can say both sides subtract square root x. Okay, so this is cancel, we get 0. So very simple question, but here you have to good knowledge about logarithmic properties. This is very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.